Good morning, students. So in the earlier video we studied about the graph of uniform and non-uniform motion. Now what was a uniform motion? Equal distances covered in equal interval of time. That will happen only when the velocity of the object or the body remains constant. Like if I am traveling with 50 kilometers per hour and I do not change my velocity from 50, only then I will be able to cover equal distances. If I increase my speed, then I will cover more distance in less amount of time. And if I decrease my speed, I will cover less distance in more time. So for uniform motion, I need to keep my velocity constant. Our distance time graph for uniform motion was this, a straight line. What if this is velocity? For a uniform motion, the velocity remains to be constant. That is, the value of velocity will not change with time. So if the value of velocity was this initially and it does not change with time, then what will be the shape of this graph? It will be a straight line, horizontal to the x-axis. This graph shows us that the value of velocity is same. Whatever the time is keeping on increasing, but the velocity does not change. Hence, for a uniform motion, the velocity time graph will be a horizontal line. If the body was traveling with a speed of 50 km per hour, it will keep on traveling with the same speed without considering the length of time. The time keeps on increasing, but the velocity does not change. So this is for constant velocity. This graph is for constant velocity. What if the velocity is not constant? That is, either the velocity is increasing or velocity is decreasing. If it is increasing, that means there is some acceleration. So if velocity is increasing, there is some acceleration. If velocity is decreasing, then again there is some acceleration, but in opposite direction, in negative direction, which we call as deceleration or minus of acceleration. Okay, so in that case the curve will be different. Now since the velocity is changing with time, suppose it is increasing, suppose it was the body started from rest and after some time the speed is keeping on increasing, then what will be the shape of the graph? The velocity is increasing with time. If it is uniform acceleration, that is, the acceleration is not changing, then the graph will go like this. This means increasing velocity with uniform acceleration, because it's a straight line. So velocity will increase with the same amount every second. Okay, so uniform acceleration. If it is a non-uniform acceleration, then in that case the line will go like this. Now suppose at this point the value of acceleration changes. Till this point, if the value was 1 meter per second square, and now after this point the value is 2 meter per second square, the value of acceleration, then the velocity will increase more rapidly. So the curve will go like this. Suppose after this the value increases to suppose we decrease the value back to 1 meter per second square, then again the velocity will be increasing like this. So this will be the kind of graph if the velocity is increasing with a non-uniform acceleration. Okay, so I will draw the two graphs separately. This is velocity increasing with uniform acceleration, and this is velocity increasing with non-uniform acceleration. I'll write it here. Non-uniform acceleration, and this is uniform acceleration. Okay. Now the acceleration can be in negative direction also. That is, the velocity is slowing down. The body is slowing down. It was going at some speed 50 km per hour, but then you applied brakes to create negative deceleration. So the value of velocity will come down. If the negative deceleration is uniform, then the velocity will come down like this in a straight line. Suppose you keep on applying brake, the acceleration is in negative direction but uniform, and eventually the body stops, then the curve will stop at this point. At this point the value of velocity becomes 0. Okay, so this is the deceleration with uniform. This is negative velocity with uniform deceleration. Okay, I'll write here uniform deceleration. Okay, if it is non-uniform deceleration, the body was traveling with 50 km per hour. If it is a non-uniform deceleration, then the curve will go like this. Okay, this is non-uniform deceleration. Okay, now you can do these things. All the four in velocity time graph, I gave you four graphs. Constant velocity, that is no acceleration, increasing velocity with uniform acceleration, increasing velocity with non-uniform acceleration, and similarly decreasing velocity with uniform acceleration, deceleration, and decreasing velocity with non-uniform deceleration. Make sure you practice these graphs, do the questions from exercises, and all these graphs are given in your textbook also. So revise them. Ask me if you have any problems. Thank you.